Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to discuss about the persistent internship last year experience. So here the internship, as the company they start to contact the students from the January month. Okay, from the January the company they used to communicate with the students regarding to update about the internships and all. And as you know, the internship last year it was also 6 month. The duration was 6 month, the internship, and it is completely online. So last time also it was online, okay, in the due to pandemic, and this time also even for 21-22 batch also this is online only. And the last year as they provided the internship stipend, okay, so that is a 10K, and also they provided some around 1K the internet allowance and all. Okay, the internet bill. Okay, so that allowance and all provided, and it is like roughly we can say 11K around. So that is shared by one of the student, like 10K is the total amount, and 1,000, around 1,000, not exactly, around 1,000 the internet okay, the whatever the charges for internet connectivity. And students will get the leave. Okay, so he will get the study leave during the examination, so that you can the student they can discuss with their higher authority. So it is good, like if they should communicate early, okay, and early in the team, so that definitely they will allow the leave for the examination or any academic activity. So there will be no problem for the leave and all. And in the the internship, mainly in the internship, okay, last year as they given the task on Angular, then React JS, means some projects related to Angular, React JS, .NET, Salesforce. So these technologies, Spring Boot. So based upon these technology, the students like they were the part of the project, and randomly they will allocate the technology. Okay, randomly they allocate the students on any technology. Okay, it is not fixed, randomly they will allocate. And the one good thing is like you will get all the like guidance related to how you can improve your skills in the internship, how you can work in the internship. Okay, so that you will get from the domain experts. Your mentor will guide you for the improvement. Okay, or to learn the, so suppose if you don't know the Angular, then they will give some guidance, they will take some sessions, they will provide the resource material. So with this you can improve your the some skills. Okay, they will give the time to prepare to study. Okay, so that is the one thing. And in the that particular internship it is around 6 month, 5 to 6 month it was the last year. And the training, as in the training part, training it is 2.5 to 3 months. 2 point means like 2 months 15 days to 3 months, 3 months training. So in that mainly basically they covered the some software engineering, the agile methodology concepts, the Git training, So it is very important, the Git training, software testing, oops, SQL, core Java, Node.js, Angular, React, .NET. Okay, and here it depends, randomly they will allocate the technology, randomly they will allocate. So in internships, like these are the technology required. So you try to like find these resources in the various platforms are there. Okay, Geek for Geeks, or in the YouTube there are various there are various different experts are there. Different experts, they are created a very beautiful videos, so that you will get a clear understanding of the particular topic. For example, Angular JS. So try to even W3 schools also, it will provide very good content. Angular JS, React JS. Okay, you can just go through those content and try to practice. So that will be helpful for your career. Okay. And yeah, Saurav Patel, I got 58 percentage in my 12th standard. Okay, but I have appeared for improvement exam next year. Saurav got 58 percentage in my 12th. Okay, I have appeared for improvement exam next year and got 72 percentage. Now I got shortlisted in persistent system. Okay, good. Will there be any issue? No. So what you do, Saurav? Okay, it is good that you are taken a chance and reappeared, because what happens now, like most of the company, they mainly focus on the 10th and 12th score, all these top MNC companies. So you are taking a good decision, and don't disclose this one. Okay, you just hide it. There is no use now. Okay. Okay, so don't disclose this one. You whatever, like this is your final. It may be third attempt, second attempt, third, fourth, fifth, any attempt, but this is your final one, right? So wherever you apply for company as a 12th marks, you just add it 72 percentage only. Okay, you don't think about this. Okay, don't think about this. This is past. You just forget it. Okay, you just forget, and now onwards you just keep in mind, you just go with this percentage only, 72 percentage only. Okay, because this is your, it may be second attempt, because in B also, like earlier, because now in pandemic the fail percentage is very less. Okay, even there is no 1% also, there is no fail in the pandemic situation. Okay, those who are absent, so those guys are failed. Okay, but in earlier in BE or BTech, we used to get backs. Okay, so like once you pass that passing marks is considered in the percentage. So you just consider this only, 72 percentage, and don't think about that past one. Okay, Saurabh Patel, then Karthik. Today I have received mail from Persistent. They mentioned about the doing reels by sharing the experience of getting the first job. So is it compulsory or not? Hmm. No, I don't have any idea. But suppose if they ask you to share your experience, okay, experience of getting the first, so you can just do that, because you should participate in all kind of task. So that shows the how you are a multitasking person. Okay, because the company, they want the guy one who do multitasking. Okay, so you do it. Okay, no need to worry about that. Nithul. when they provide laptop. So during the internship, I don't have any idea during the internship, but for full when you join full time, when you join full time for full time employment, so that time you can proceed for that. Once you join, you can interact, you can get all the details. Okay. So now I think during internship, I don't think they provide any laptop. Nithul, we have to work on our own laptop here. Yeah, I think in internship with own laptop, but I think suppose if you don't have the laptop, I think you just have a communication with the help desk, or like you used to receive the mail, no, like for internship and all, when you join the team. Okay, when you join the team, you can discuss with the team members, your the higher project lead. You can have a discussion, you can ask. Suppose if you don't have the laptop, because there are some students are there, like they don't have the laptop. Okay, because of some financial crisis, because if in one home, suppose in one home, if there are three children are there. Okay, three children, and like all these guys are like doing online classes and all, if for brothers, sisters, so it is very difficult to manage one laptop with all three members. Okay, so once you join, no, like once you join, you have a discussion with the team member, your project lead, or okay. So they will make an arrangement. If it is not possible, you can do some alternate arrangement. Okay, but don't like depend on like the persistent only. Because of this laptop, you don't lose the job. Okay, this is not a reason to lose a job. Okay, so you should not like depend completely. If they are not provide, not they, if they won't make any arrangement, so you do some alternative arrangement. Shubham, is it possible to increase our package from base to higher? If you no, in pressure they won't come. I don't know for your batch, but last year it is not happened for last year batch. Okay, for the last year batch, so it is not happened. Okay, like means the same, whatever, if they are having 4.5 lpa, the same 4.5 lpa, and after I think 1 year or 1.5 year they will increase. Okay, 1 or 1.5 year. Yes, persistent 7.5 और cognizant. या तो कौन सी इंटर्नशिप ज्वाइन करनी चाहिए, दोनों में से फुल किसी भी करना, क्योंकि फुल टाइम see like so if you have such opportunity, no, 7.5 with persistent and 6.75 with cognizant, so you just go ahead with persistent. Okay, because like there is a difference is there in the salary, and like at least in 7.5 means at least you will get around 52, I think 52k in hand. And the like as a fresher, if you join with this particular high package, then obviously for if you switch, like in the after 1 year, or if you switch to some other company, around you will get 10 lp and all, means after 1 year or 1.5 year. Okay, so join with high package. How much they give increment after that exactly I don't know. So, okay, but it depend upon the like situation, depend upon the requirements. Okay, what happens, no, like if there is a more requirement, and if the people they leave the company. Okay, suppose if the a person, okay, if a person is working from last 1 year in persistent. Okay, he is working from last 1 year, and suppose If a person, if he won't get any increment, okay, then what you do, he will search in another company. Okay, he search in another company, and this company, what they do, suppose if he is getting 7.5 lpa, okay, at least 20 to 30% minimum, okay, minimum hike will they will provide. Okay, depend upon requirement, even 40% also they will provide. 40, 50, it depend upon the capability of the student and how that technically how the student sounds. Okay, the everything matters. So to retain the candidate, okay, if the candidate, he should not leave to some other company, so that time the company may increment. Okay, because what happens now, like genuine, it is, see, it is like nowadays all the companies know, the thing is like, genuinely, if suppose if they hire 40,000, if they hire 40,000 students, fresher, okay, then at the same time the 40,000 people, they leave the company. Why they leave the company? Because they won't get the increment and all as per expectation. So it is like in and out. Okay, suppose if these 40,000 people, if they, everyone, if they expect a 20 to 30% increment, if everyone is expect, then there will be loss. Means the company, they only think about the profit. Okay, so whatever the work these guys will do, the same can be done by these freshers can do. Okay, so means there are some various different scenarios are there. Okay, this is not a one. Okay, just a given a simple example, means like we used to see in the news, no, like TCS hiring 40,000, Capgemini hiring like 30,000, like, okay, if they are hiring, means there in is also 30,000, out is also 30,000, they will make a balance. Okay, so it all depend upon the situation requirements. Okay, so actually you will get idea when once you join a company, once you join a company, you will get complete idea. Okay, so now don't worry about all these things, as I already told you people many times. Okay, now on immediately whatever your preference is there. Okay, immediately, like suppose immediate goal means like you are getting an opportunity to join the internship, so you just concentrate on that. So along with that, you can just update the skills. Okay, so you focus on that only, the priority wise you do. Okay, these are all the comes in the future, and you will be master once you join the company. Anurag, after joining the persistent internship and after completion, can I refuse to join full time and join different company which gives me? Yes, Anurag, this I can say, like, you can join another company. You can join another company. Okay, but there are some like if you get good opportunity, if you get, then definitely you can go ahead. But the thing is, what happens now, uh, like the persistent, they are in contact with the college TPO. Okay, so if there is a 10% cases from your 10% cases from your college, okay, means like they do the internship and they leave the college, it won't matter. Okay, But if there are 50% people, if they join and they won't join, like sometimes, means this is just I'm giving example, it may create like they can uh, ask the TPO about, like, because they put a lot of effort now for hiring is not an easy job. Okay, like they put a lot of effort to hire the students, and during the interview and all, you people are committed, right? You people are committed, like, I'm interested to join and all. Okay, sometimes it may create problems, sometimes it won't, it depend upon the HR. Okay, but after the joining you don't leave. Okay, if suppose if there is such a cases, you can do the internship. Okay, but you don't join for full time. Okay, don't join for the full time, means you join for 1 month and after that, okay, means, like, because nowadays I think, maybe they are taking some, like commitment and all through the Google forms. Okay, right? So, if you are if you are having such a plan, like if you get a good opportunity, then don't join for the full time. Okay, you wait for to get a good opportunity, then. Okay, and suppose you joined and after the 15 days, okay, you joined and after 15 days, like, you want to leave, then it is not a good attitude. So think about it. Okay, because why? Because the problem when it comes now, like, because the persistent are having contact with the TPO, and you are in the last semester and your all mark sheets are available with the mark sheets and all available with the college. Okay, so sometimes it depend upon the situation. I'm not saying like they will do like such things. The situation will go in different way. Situation, okay, it depend upon the HR, depend upon the college TPO. Okay, but you can, okay, you can join, but if you get a good opportunity, because definitely they will, even your college will also support. Suppose if you are having a 4.71 and if you get 8 LPA, obviously students will go for this one only, and your college will also, because there is a double, almost double. But suppose if everyone is getting the same thing, if 50-60% people, if they are doing the same thing from that particular college, then it will create a problem. Okay, then coders, can we get good package after the switching? Persistent, other mass? Yes, 100%. Not only from persistent, any company. Okay, from any company. Okay, any company, and if you have worked on projects, if you have some skills. Okay, if you perform well in the company, if you means you perform well in the interview and all, if your resume is strong. Okay, if your resume is strong, then definitely you'll get a hike. Okay, 100%, 50% hike, 60%, even double also. It depends upon your skill, how you perform. Can we get higher package further in the company, as because I got selected in base package? Yeah, you are selected in the base package. Okay, so immediately you won't get immediately, like in TCS and all. In TCS, I think the one who joined with 3.36, and after appearing for the TCS digital test, so I think 4 or 5 times attempts they are providing, right, for TCS digital. Once he clear the TCS digital, he will get 7 LPA in TCS. It is there. but in persistent such opportunities are not there once you join with base package. Okay, but it may create for your batch, depend. Okay, as we don't know exactly, but it depend upon the situation it make some. Okay, depend upon situation, because as I already told, like Infosys, like for digital specialist engineer, earlier it was 5 LPA, right? And it is changed to I think 6.25 LPA. Okay, it is changed. Okay, they changed as per their policy. So yeah, like depend. Aditya, today I received a mail from Persist. They mentioned about the doing reels. Yeah, I think many students are received that, sharing the experience of getting the first job. Yeah, you do it because it is not compulsory, or I don't know actually. I don't know about that, but this is a one good, like you should participate. Okay, see, the participation is very important, even because you have to express your views on, because in your career you are starting your career, and you are like you got a first job. The first job is very important in your career, in your life. Okay, so you should express your views, like how you are happy at that moment, and how your family they are celebrated that moment. Okay, so it all matters, like your family members, they actually more than you, your family members they celebrate. Okay, they used to tell their friends, family, friend circle and all, like my son daughter placed in this particular prestigious company. So you have to share the experience, and it is good like to use these social these technology and all. It will be help in your career. Okay, Aditya, you do it. Okay, Atharva, I gave my HR assessment 2 times. Is it making effect on my placement? No, no. Many students they got like 2 times they received. Many students 2 times they received the mail. Okay, 2 times they received the HR assessment, and it won't create any problem. Even though if it comes one more time, you attend it. Okay, so it won't create any problem, and I think if you are completed means definitely you will get, in coming days you will get your result. It's been 1 month I got selected, and I have not received the offer letter yet. When I should expect it? Yeah, they will process. Okay, still time is there. No, May, June, your maybe your joining will be there. But the persistent is the one company that do these process early. The early joining. Early joining means even before your examination, they allow you to join the company. Okay, so that all these offer and all, they will do that. Okay, see, like before joining, no, the mail whichever you received from your college TPO, like mail or that selection list, that is very important. The selection list. Suppose if your name is there in the selection list, means no need to worry. Okay, if your name is there in the selection list, okay, don't worry about other things. Definitely you will get all the offer letter and all. Okay, so we'll end this video, and if you have any other question, just put it in a comment, and if anyone knows the answer, you try to